Hi, welcome to Penland's Peeps. Today we're going to be making an oyster shell dispenser with some materials that we gathered up. We have about $10 in materials plus the glue and a box of nails will be more. Anyway, so this is what we're going to use. We need some 2-inch PVC measuring tape. 2 90-degree elbows. We have a 2-inch female by male and a 2-inch female by female. We have the PVC cement, 2 brackets to hold the pipe, 4 screws, a cap for the end of the pipe, and our drill. Okay, so we found a place where we want to mount the dispenser to. This is what we were using before, and it worked, but they would knock it over just about every day. Have to pick it up and clean it out. So we're used to coming over here for the oyster shell, and you don't want to mix it with their food because some hens may require less calcium than others, and they'll just get it as they need it. So we found the area where we want to put the dispenser, and we're just going to measure about how long we need it. It's not going to, it doesn't have to be exact. And then down here, where we're going to have the elbow, we want to make sure that it's not interfering with anything. Okay, so we got the measurement and cut the pipe. This cuts very easily with a or jigsaw. Cut the length. I want to take this, and we're going to go and put this on the end. Now this is the one with the male end on it, and then we're going to put the other one on here like that, and you can see that this is lower. You want it to be as low as you can to make sure that the oyster shell is within reach. So we'll start by making sure that this is clean, and we pre-cleaned them earlier. Hey, Babette. Now, we're not going to use any of the primer or cleaner because this is not going to hold water. Doesn't matter if it leaks or not. So we're just going to get a good coat on there, and a good coat on here. That looks good. Then we just take the elbow and we put it on. Just give it a twist a couple times, and that's good. Now, this end, I'm not going to glue yet. I'm just going to stick that on like that, just to make sure that it's going to be in the right position. Okay, so...
Oh wait, my finger's in the way. Start again.
Okay, so we got the location and where we want to put it. We can make sure and verify that this is not in the way of anything, so we can go ahead and glue the other piece on. We can do it right here. Probably not even necessary, it's such a tight fit. So I got the glue here. Shenanigans out there. Swab. Swab, and again, primer's not necessary because the seal doesn't have to be that exact. But we'll just make sure this is at a 90. You squeeze it, turn it a couple times, and it looks close enough. Alright, so put the brackets on. get one started.
Hi guys.
Put it.
Hi Babette.
Hey, Babette.
Hi Babette. Is Daddy doing a good job? Huh? I think thinks you need help.
Huh?
I think Babette thinks you need help.
Okay. I got my helper here. Babette. One more screw. Alright, so that's in pretty tight.
Okay.
Alright, so we got the oyster shell here. We'll pour it in. That fills up nicely. Give it a couple bangs. And they can reach that.
Georgie.
So that's it. Just give it a bang a couple times, the bottom will fill up and they can reach it. That's our oyster shell dispenser. Thanks for watching.